If you use AI daily, you know the drill. You open a new chat, paste your text, and type out the exact same 5-paragraph prompt you used yesterday just to get the formatting right. A custom skill is a saved, automated tool that permanently bakes those complex instructions directly into your account. To set this up, you only need 2 things: a standard Claude account and one highly repetitive text-based task that consumes your time. For our project today, we are going to automate a specific bottleneck, taking a raw, disorganized video script and turning it into perfectly formatted YouTube metadata, including titles, descriptions, and timestamps. Transitioning from repetitive manual prompting to building permanent skills converts Claude into a customized software suite. First, we need to enable the feature. Go into your Claude settings, click the Capabilities tab, and toggle the switch labeled Skills. Enabling this switch adds a dedicated skills menu to your interface. This is where your custom tools will live. To build our YouTube metadata tool, we have to write an initialization prompt. This requires a strict framework. Step 1 is context, giving the AI background variables tailored to your specific brand. Step 2 is the task. We define the single action we want executed. Here, we instruct Claude to read a pasted script and extract titles, descriptions, and tags. Step 3 is format, dictating the structure of the output. We specify that we need exactly 3 title options, a medium-length description, and clearly headed sections. Using this rigid formula removes the guesswork. It forces the AI to execute exactly what you need without making assumptions about your goals. After you submit that initial prompt, Claude acts as your developer. It replies with a series of targeted calibration questions to refine the tool. It might ask how many titles you usually generate, or if your scripts have natural section breaks. If you skip or rush these answers, your final skill will be inaccurate. Take the time to answer clearly. Once Claude has all the details, it finalizes the construction. It generates a markdown document that contains the underlying operational code for your new skill. To make this permanent, click the button labeled Copy to Your Skills below the code block. This installs the tool directly into your account. Now, you might see public GitHub repositories offering pre-made skills that you can download. You need to be extremely careful with these. Third-party skills can contain malicious instructions hidden within the code. This is called prompt injection. If you install an infected skill, it can quietly extract your private data. Building your own custom skills organically from scratch is the only guaranteed method for maintaining absolute data security. Let's test the tool we just built. Start a completely blank chat session. Do not type any instructions or formatting requests. Instead, just take your raw, unedited YouTube script and paste the entire block of text directly into the window. Claude immediately recognizes the context, triggers your custom YouTube metadata skill, and begins processing the text with 0 additional input from you. Within seconds, it outputs 3 optimized titles, a fully formatted description, highly relevant video tags, and accurate timestamp chapters, exactly as you specified. You no longer have to manage a massive document of saved prompts or re-explain your formatting rules every session. The entire process is reduced to a single copy and paste action. This exact framework applies to any repetitive task. You can build skills to analyze complex financial spreadsheets or automatically format software code. Mastering the custom skill builder makes you the architect of your own automated ecosystem, which sets the stage for local file integration via Claude Cowork.